Hey Glenn, it's a review for you. We got this screwdriver set, and yet, and yet, you just hang on. Ah. The case is screwed together. Anyway, it's mini bits, so you got a little mini screwdriver. Now look what you got in there. I mean, you got Torx, and you got Phillips. You got a Phillips 2 in there, which is unusual. You got bits I've never seen before. We got hex bits, slotted bits. Looks like you got an all. Oh boy. There's even a triangular bit, which I've only ever seen on a few select cases. Like I think Apple used to use them at one point. Nintendo uses Pentalog, and I don't see any Pentalogs here. But there are these guys. You see the little dudes here with this one here. Those guys could arguably be used to open a pentalogs, even though they're not designed for that. I can't remember what they're called off the top of my head. Anyway, there you go. It's pretty good for $3.